For the operating system project, on the Mac side, I'm going to walk through step by step what you're going to do to complete this project. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to download the two files that you need for your project. You can right-click on those and choose Save Link As, and I'm simply going to save mine to my desktop to make them easy to find. The Operating Systems Project Word document is where we're going to save all of our responses. And this is basically what's on the document. And I'm going to walk through step by step, and we're going to do some things, and you're going to respond in the answers in the Word document. So the first step, which this video is going to cover, is find programs. What steps do you take in your operating system to find a program? The program that I want you to find and that we will then create some shortcuts for is called Grab. I have my dock set up on the left-hand side, and I'm going to use the Finder window and Applications to find the Grab program. And it's in here, and this is the icon for it. If I want to make it easily accessible, where I can use it anytime I want, I can save it to my dock just by dragging it in here. I can also if I minimize my browser window, create a desktop shortcut just by dragging it to the desktop. So those are two ways I have of making a shortcut. Dragging it to the desktop to make a desktop shortcut, or dragging it over to the taskbar. Generally, my preference is to have it on the taskbar. I don't tend to keep much in the way of shortcuts that I'm not actively working with a lot on my desktop. So if I want to get rid of a shortcut from my desktop, I can just drag it to the trash can. If I want to get rid of a shortcut from my dock, I can just drag it off the dock. And you'll see it disappears. But I really do want to have access to Grab consistently throughout the rest of this course, so I'm going to leave it docked because I'm going to use it continuously.